right, everybody. Welcome to our life from the Philippines. So it kind of had been a rough week this week. After a Morong trip, I got on our way home. I started feeling a little sick, and once we got home, I got down with the flu. So I've been out of commission for about a week, 8 days, 7, 8 days. So this is our first little vlog again after staying at home for a week. And today we are just going to go out and people watching. Mabalacat has a fiesta, and the people that were arranging this whole thing, they've been screwing up by the numbers, is what I hear. So the fiesta should have been over by now, and they couldn't even start it because of the schedule and everything. Nothing was arranged properly. So here we are, and we're just going to go out and people watch a little bit. And we got our little helper with us, so we're gonna go out and just have a little walk and check out and see what's going on. They're saying that there is an event here around 7 o'clock, which is about 45 minutes away or so. And we're gonna check it out. So we'll take a little walk. They're still having all the vendors here. Everywhere. I've never seen so much here, and I've never seen so much. Look at the church. They put up scaffolding there.
Oh, look at it's a new color. The repainting.
Yeah, they're repainting the church, guys.
Yeah.
So we are going to go down here and see what's going on. A lot of noise for sure, and we shall see what's going on. Yeah, look at that. They're putting it up.
Hey, what's up?
Just hello. What's up? What's up? Yeah. So they are painting it bright yellow. That's an interesting color. It's interesting. Oh, look at that. They got even more tent now. You see that? All the way down here. This wasn't here before. All right, guys. It's going to be noisy here, so. Yeah. All right. So.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Yeah, this is like in the back of Severa. And excuse me, guys. That influenza is still hanging in there with me.
Yeah, I still have cough.
Cough. So I got the Trump virus, I think.
Hello.
All right. So what's going on back here? It sounds to me like
There's an event or just a game, something.
some gay event.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have it.
They're doing a like a role play, a comedy role play over there. Something.
All right, on the stage.
Yeah. But
All right,
mostly
so
there's a gay comedy bar or something like that.
all right, let's turn around and see if we can get that stage coming in. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk around a little bit today and just look at stuff. A lot of kids here, our school kids
Yeah.
coming out of school. It's about what 7 o'clock?
Yeah, something like that.
Sun is going down.
Yeah, this
All
one,
right.
this one. Look,
Here's
this,
one of the hosts.
Yeah.
Almost running into me.
I think they are getting people out of
Yeah,
the audience.
going to stage to have a game, something like that.
Yeah, yeah, they have their little.
Yeah, they're asking that. Ever, no, there's a raise your hands if you want to participate these games.
Yeah. So they're chasing people.
Yeah, look,
Here's our little.
so excited.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, this video, because of the volume, I decided to just record the sound.
Yeah,
So I have a little control, and I hope you can hear our voice now as we are doing this as a voiceover. But it's hundreds of people here, if not thousands. They have a lot of vendors, and we're gonna take you there and walk around a little bit.
food court.
Food court,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna go and try to discover some of that. All right, the little guy here, Mr. Andrew, he said he wanted to go up here. He saw something up there. What's going on there, honey?
It's like a carousel. There's a carousel.
Carousels.
Or it's a
Yeah.
big swing,
Yeah.
Viking, or something
Yeah,
like that.
something like that.
Yeah.
So he said he wanted to go there.
You want to try?
Yeah, that's what he always says. And then he chickens out in the end. And I think he is too young for most of these rides anyway.
Yeah, it's not allowed for 4 years old.
Look at a beautiful sunset, guys. Down in that direction somewhere is Mount Pinatubo.
Correct.
Oh, here we go. We have the Viking ship. You know what that comes from?
That's come from your place.
That's right. The Swedish Vikings.
Yeah, the Swedish Vikings.
That conquered the world in their ships. They went all over the place. I'm not very proud of them though. They were very brutal boys.
Yeah.
If you study
I know.
Viking history,
Yeah, I know they are very brutal.
it was not very nice at all. But anyway, kids are playing around.
Me
And
also.
You also, yeah. You're gonna try your luck. Yeah. How does this work?
Yeah, you just put 2 peso and you choose letter or number.
Letter or number?
Yeah,
You
if the red color stop on your number, it means you win.
Or the letter.
Yeah, or the letter you put. Oh!
Oh, you were one away.
Yeah.
Oy, oy, oy. Okay, so what's this?
This is like we call it piwi piwi. We call it in Bisaya piwi. In Waray piwi.
Oh, look at the little kid. He's
Yeah.
throwing money too.
Yeah. I just give him some.
Doink. All right, so you land in one of those squares.
Yeah, if the
You win
one
something?
if 1 peso landed on a small square, if there is a price there, for example, the price
Right.
there is 10 pesos.
All right, this is serious, guys.
Yeah, this is me.
I would not like to meet her in a dark alley. Look how she is shooting. 2 of 2. 3 of 3.
Sharpshooter.
4 of 4. 5 of 5. 6 of 6. Uh-oh.
I miss.
7 of 8. That's pretty good. All right, we're down here at the food court.
Yeah. little bit hungry.
And always at these events here,
Yeah, they're always
there's a
selling food.
lot of food
Yeah,
and
Filipino,
a lot of things.
Filipino delicacy, Filipino food,
Yeah.
snacks.
I love those drinks.
Yeah,
Um,
that's a watermelon.
it's watermelon, right?
Yeah, watermelon
Yeah. So we got one of those, and
with lots of milk.
yeah, that was perfect. So let's walk up and check out what they got here. And this looks good.
Yeah, hungry Hungarian.
Is it real Hungarian? Is it really good? Hold the camera. Okay, you can't hold the camera. Yeah, give me one.
With bread, sir?
Yeah. And what do you got? Pickles? You have spicy mustard or that's the classic yellow? Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay, sir.
It's not the best, but it's okay. I like the Frenchy spicy. Have you seen that? Really good mustard. How much is it?
99, sir.
Mustard is fine. Yeah. And some pickles if you got it.
Thank you. Hot dog. Thank you. Oh.
All right. Since I already ate that thing and doing this voiceover, I can tell you it was an authentic Hungarian sausage, and it was delicious. The amazing thing here, what is this, honey? What is it called?
I don't know, but that made by vegetables.
Right, it's vegetables.
Yeah.
Right. So here is the shawarma. Shawarma is very popular here.
In the Philippines, yes.
Yes. And some places have them good, and some are not so good.
Yeah.
We have a couple of favorite shawarma,
I was in Balibago.
and then you got some vegetables here and fruits here too. All right, so we're coming down to back to the stage, and
Need to buy something for the little one.
the little one needed something, so I bought him a hammer. And we are heading backwards a little bit outside here, and we are wrapping this one up, guys. And thank you for watching. Hit the share, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.